Adam, come on.
Sorry.
Yeah, I heard that noise down there.
Unless it was like a sound thing just to scare people.
Oh no,
Yeah,
even.
because it differed.
Huh?
Can't be a dog getting a bite. Can't be like.
But how did the batteries choose to go dead right at that moment?
Unless it was like an animal that had injured animals. So it was like that fox we saw.
What, so it's coming towards us?
It's definitely coming towards us. It's got really close to it. Breathing.
But I heard that noise as we was coming round here.
That's what I heard. Let's see. Just catch it on there, Dad.
Come on. Can you hear it? Huh? Whatever it is, just shine the torch at it. Oh, you motherfucker. What the fuck is it?
What is that?
It's like someone's. It's like the sound of someone raking something, you know what I mean?
Yeah. What, can you put the locks on? Just in case something comes up? Huh? We'll put all the locks on. Good.
If it's a sound of something, just to scare people.
No.
There was something there.
There was something there, and this was
It was close over there.
yeah. But as you threw something, as you threw the second stone, it come to walk. It started to walk towards us.
We'll fucking find out. We've got to go round that way in the car.
Well, that's all right. I was trying to. I haven't put the lights on and let's go.
Shit myself with that, like. Especially when we're watching that corner and it was on.
Well, I'm glad we didn't see that last time we was fucking up there.
Can't you get the front of the car?
Yeah, we're going round the right way now. Yeah, that.
So that's the house ahead. If we go that way.
Yeah, but it was over there, wasn't it?
Yeah. And there's nothing there. I'm not sure. There's nothing there.
What is it?
Don't let me. Did you?
My leg's shaking. Yeah, there's something moving there.
Where?
Right over there. Running about. Do you see it?
Ah.
Running a bit there. Fuck's it gone? It's fucking big.